Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, access your Instagram app, go to chat section here in the middle, go to this pencil and then paper icon on top right corner, go to channel, tap on get started, add in the name of the channel, and then go ahead, check it out. If you want the channel to be pinned, turn that on. If you want the channel to show on profile, turn the toggle on. If you want members to allow and reply to the messages, toggle that on. Tap on create on the right corner, and there you go. You have a broadcast channel ready. You can go ahead, choose create it, and you can go ahead and send links to your friends and family, notify them, and once you have any updates, you can go and start posting on them directly like that. That's all you have to do. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.